Today we're going to talk about the benefits of exercise. You see, most people exercise because they want to look good, they want to lose a few pounds, and they want to look, they do it for the look, which is important, and I agree with them as well. But I think, and I believe, and I know that exercise, the benefit of exercise is a lot more than just a look. We need to exercise to put fuel in our nervous system. Our nervous system needs three things to be healthy. It needs oxygen, it needs food in terms of glucose, and it needs movement. We need all three of these at the same time for a period of time to be healthy. Now, exercise is an important ingredient in that. Now, people who do not exercise, I cannot tell you enough, means that you're starving your nervous system, you're starving your body. It's like going without food for days on. You cannot survive without that for too long. The problem is that lack of exercise, you don't see the consequence of that right away. Like every other chronic disease, you see the consequence of that years down the road. Nobody really gets sick by missing a couple of meals, or nobody gets sick by having a whole French fries and hamburger or cheeseburger or cheesecake one evening or 2 evenings or even a month. But if you do that on a consistent basis, then you see the consequence of high blood pressure and diabetes and all of that. The same thing is with the exercise. If you miss exercise for a week or a month or a year, you don't see the consequence of that right away. As if you're missing exercise for 30, 40 years, then you see the consequence of it. So why exercise is important is because when you exercise, you're stimulating your brain and nervous system. That's why we exercise. Now you may say, well, I have never done exercise and I don't know how to do it. If you've never done it, my best recommendation to you is to just go walk, put your running shoes on in the morning, go walking around your block once, that's it. Next morning, take it two more steps. The next day, take 3 more steps, and slowly, before you know it, you're going to love exercising. You choose which form of exercise you want to do. That's not my job to say. All I have to tell you is the exercise you do has to be intense. According to where you are, you slowly increase the intensity, and you want to have some form of cardiovascular with weight training together. I personally never use any machine. I use free weight myself. We do a lot of push-up and pull-ups, squatting, lunges. Those are good form of exercise that you're working against gravity with your own body weight. The other thing is that if your spine is out of alignment, and you do go to exercise, you're going to get hurt. So my best recommendation to you is first make sure your spine is properly aligned and you do not have subluxation. After that's established, then you can get the maximum benefit of exercise. If you have any pain, please, I beg you, do not start to exercise to hope that the pain goes away. Because if you already have a pain, any pain anywhere in your body, and you exercise, that area probably is going to flare up. So, number 1, make sure you check your spine with a wellness chiropractor to see you're in good shape. Number 2, you want to make sure that after you do that, you know where you are, and just start slow and increase that gradually. I wish you all the best. Till next time, live to your fullest. Thank you.